You can zoom in and out a video or an image in CapCut. First, select your media on the timeline, and go to where you want the zoom in effect to start. Press the keyframe button. Go to where you want the zoom in effect to finish. Press the keyframe button again, then pinch and drag to zoom into your objective. This will create a zoom-in effect. To zoom out, add another keyframe where you want the zoom-out effect to start. Go to where you want it to finish, add a keyframe, then zoom out your objective to its starting position. All done. Please subscribe.